Welcome to our English learning practice. If you want to enhance your speaking or listening abilities, this video is perfect for you. Make sure to stay engaged throughout, as we've designed it to help you progress in your English language journey. Part 1. English conversation about daily couple chores. Part 2. Questions and answers related this conversation. Before we begin, I'd like to remind you to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest English learning content. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the first part of our English learning practice video.
Good morning, love. Did you sleep well?
Yes, thank you. How about you?
I had a bit of trouble falling asleep, but I managed. It's a new day, though. Any plans for today?
Well, I thought we could finally clean out the garage. It's been on our to-do list for a while now.
That sounds like a good idea. Let's make sure we set aside some time for it. We can also sort through the old boxes while we're at it.
Absolutely. It's time to declutter. By the way, do you remember if we need to pick up groceries today?
I checked the list earlier, and we do need a few things. I can swing by the supermarket after work if you'd like.
That would be great. Don't forget to get some fresh vegetables and the milk we ran out of yesterday.
Consider it done. Oh, and speaking of work, I have a meeting in the afternoon, so I might be home a little late today.
No problem, dear. I'll make sure dinner is ready when you get back. Maybe we can have that new recipe you wanted to try?
That sounds fantastic. I'm really looking forward to it. You always manage to surprise me with your cooking skills.
Ah, thank you. It's my pleasure to spoil you with good food. By the way, have you called the repairman to fix the leaky faucet in the bathroom?
Not yet, but I'll make the call right after breakfast. We shouldn't let it go unresolved any longer.
I agree. It's been bothering me for a while now. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to wish your mom a happy birthday today.
Thanks for reminding me. I'll give her a call during my lunch break. It's important to remember those special occasions.
Absolutely. Family is everything. And speaking of family, don't forget we're having dinner with your parents next weekend. I hope you didn't forget to RSVP.
Don't worry, I sent the confirmation last week. It'll be nice to spend some quality time with them. They're always so excited to see us.
I'm glad you took care of it. I'm looking forward to it too. It's always great to catch up with your parents. Now, shall we start our day and tackle that garage?
Definitely. Let's grab some breakfast and then get to work. Teamwork makes the task easier.
That's right. Together, we can accomplish anything. Let's make it a productive day, my love.
Agreed. We've got this. I'm grateful to have you by my side. Let's make every day special, no matter how small the tasks may seem.
I feel the same way, darling. Every moment with you is a blessing. Let's make the most of today and every day that follows.
Part 2. Questions and answers.
How did the husband sleep? How did the husband sleep?
He had a bit of trouble falling asleep, but managed to get some rest. He had a bit of trouble falling asleep, but managed to get some rest.
What chore did the wife suggest for the day? What chore did the wife suggest for the day?
Cleaning out the garage. Cleaning out the garage.
What additional task did they plan to do while cleaning the garage? What additional task did they plan to do while cleaning the garage?
Sort through the old boxes. Sort through the old boxes.
Did they need to pick up groceries? Did they need to pick up groceries?
Yes, they needed a few things, including fresh vegetables and milk. Yes, they needed a few things, including fresh vegetables and milk.
Why might the husband be home late? Why might the husband be home late?
He had a meeting in the afternoon. He had a meeting in the afternoon.
What did the wife offer to do while the husband was at work? What did the wife offer to do while the husband was at work?
She offered to have dinner ready for him when he got back, and suggested trying a new recipe. She offered to have dinner ready for him when he got back, and suggested trying a new recipe.
What task had the husband not completed yet? What task had the husband not completed yet?
Calling the repairman to fix the leaky faucet in the bathroom. Calling the repairman to fix the leaky faucet in the bathroom.
What special occasion did the wife remind the husband about? What special occasion did the wife remind the husband about?
His mother's birthday. His mother's birthday.
Who did they have dinner plans with next weekend? Who did they have dinner plans with next weekend?
The husband's parents. The husband's parents.
How did the couple plan to approach the tasks of the day? How did the couple plan to approach the tasks of the day?
They planned to tackle the tasks together, believing that teamwork makes them easier to accomplish. They planned to tackle the tasks together, believing that teamwork makes them easier to accomplish.